Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to preview your book in spreads. You can use the spread layout view mode for that. Simply zoom out to less than 50% and your book will appear in spreads. Note that the first page is the front cover. You can also use the thumbnail mode to quickly change the order of your pages. For that, simply zoom out to less than 33% and drag the pages around. Another way to preview your book is to use the preview mode. Click on the preview icon in the bottom right corner. The preview pane will open. Click on any corner to turn the pages. Click on the X icon to close the preview.